I'm Roy Robertson. Today on Good Business San Diego, we welcome back Brent Wilsey, president of Wilsey Asset Management, a San Diego-based firm which has been named a Best in State Wealth Advisor by Forbes magazine and Shook Research. Brent's a regular guest, and we often discuss investor behavior and market influences. But today, we'll focus a little more on Brent's experience and qualifications and learn a little bit more about the firm and why it may be a good fit for you as an investor. Brent, welcome back. Known you for a long time. You've been at this for a long time, more than 40 years. So let's talk about what that kind of experience means to people that might be looking for financial guidance.
It's really very important to have that experience because, I've seen the 87 crash. I've seen the 1990 banking crisis. I've seen Y2K, the tech boom and bust. And last year we had the pandemic, COVID-19. And I saw a lot of younger people and clients panic from other people because they didn't know what to do. I've been through this many times. I knew what to do. I had the experience. We did not panic. I don't panic when things happen. We actually saw some great opportunities. So when you're not experienced, you don't know how to handle these things. So experience really keeps you through the difficult times to weather the storm.
Makes you less emotional, and you say no emotion, just results, right?
Correct.
I also know that you are registered with the SEC, the Security and Exchange Commission. So let's explain what that means.
This is a big thing, Roy, because what we have is that we have a fiduciary responsibility to do what's best for our clients because we are registered with the SEC. Now, compare that to the broker who's a broker with FINRA. They have what's called a suitability requirement, which means they can sell you any mutual fund. It could be the worst performing mutual fund, but it's suitable, that's okay. For us, we have to do what's best for our clients because we're a fiduciary, and that's a big difference with the SEC.
So your platform is called the Individualized Concentrated Value Portfolio. It's what you created. It's what you've been doing for 40 years. Describe exactly what that is.
Well, what that is first of all, it's individualized, which means that every portfolio is separated. You're not in a group of mutual funds or everybody else. So there's something called net redemption. I won't go into detail on that, but that can really hurt the performance portfolio. In our portfolio, if Joe Smith panics and leaves, it doesn't hurt your own portfolio. It's individualized. Value means that we're not going to pay the high price for some of these companies. We like to get a good deal. Like we like to go to Costco. Everybody likes to go to Costco, get sales. We're the same when it comes to investing. We want to get good deals on what we're investing in, not pay the high price just because the crowd is. And then concentrated means you don't have to have 50 to 100 different positions and not know what you have. Concentrated means 15 to 20 positions, and there's an actual financial formula that tells you that that is the right number to have. Actually, that's how Warren Buffett was successful, by having a concentrated portfolio, not holding 50 to 100 different positions.
Yeah, being diversified doesn't mean you own everything. It's, as you like to say, small pieces of big companies, right?
Correct, exactly.
Okay. So I'm going to put you on the spot just a little bit here, because we've known each other for a long time. I think I can ask you this, because I've heard you say that you're invested in your portfolio. I'd like to know kind of to what percentage you are invested in what it is that you recommend for your clients.
Yeah, because my portfolio, I believed in it. I've done it for many years. About 90% of my investable net worth is invested in the portfolio right alongside our clients. Some people might say, well, where's the other 10%? Actually, I have a small car collection that I have, but the other 90% is all into our portfolio. When we do our client event, actually, we show people where my money is invested. That's the same as our clients.
We're going to invite people, Brent, to contact you for a personal consultation. You can meet with Brent one-on-one in his office in Scripps Ranch. Just call 858-546-4306 and find out if Wilsey Asset Management is the right firm for you. Again, it's 858-546-4306, and you can learn more at smartinvesting2000.com.